Let's unbox my 17-piece granite pots and pans set. I'm so excited. I've always wanted this pot set simply because the handles are removable and it's just giving luxury. This cream white color is so beautiful. Like, this is definitely gonna elevate my kitchen a lot. As you can see, it was packaged beautifully. It includes 2 frying pans, a 10-inch frying pan as well as an 8-inch frying pan, a 10-inch saute pan, and a lid that also fits the 10-inch frying pan. It comes with 2 smaller saute pans and a lid. And my favorite part is these 2 removable handles, which is gonna definitely give me more storage room. It's gonna give my cabinet a more organized look because I can just stack all the pans in a neater way for sure without having to worry about the handle. It's easier to add your pots to the dishwasher without the handles as well. And if I have to, I can just put these pots straight into the oven without the handles, which is great. It's super easy to use. All you have to do is press that button for the release and then just click it right onto whichever pot you prefer. And these 2 handles fit any one of these pots, which is amazing. It also comes with 4 pot protectors as well as a ladle spoon and a spatula. Go ahead and grab yours now. This pot set can be found on my Amazon storefront under cooking must-haves.